Barker-Vormawor was arrested in February 2022 for making a post the state deemed treasonable on social media. On April 29 this year, lawyers representing Barker-Vormawor filed an application challenging the constitutionality of the offense and also prayed to the High Court for the case to be referred to the Supreme Court. In court today, Monday, the sitting judge was expected to pass a ruling on those outstanding issues to make way for a possible trial. It, however, turned out that the state only responded to the April 27 application by Mr. Barker-Vormawor's lawyers this morning. In an interview with Joy News at the court complex after the adjournment, Mr. Barker-Vormawor could not hide his frustration.
And you continue to see the charade and what has happened so far. Now, for them who paraded over 50 armed individuals and snipers, for them who believe that we were a threat to this republic, for so long they have not been able to match those words with the evidence that is required in this trial. Today, again, we have appeared before the court, where we filed an application challenging the constitutionality of the charges that were brought against me. Over 2 months, the Attorney General has chosen today, this morning, when they were supposed to commence trial, to come and file a response.
On social media, the activist has been vocal in his criticism of the state about the seeming delay in commencing the trial, a posture that some say could be inimical to his case. Mr. Barker-Vormawor, however, has a different view.
Activists to holding our institutions accountable, whether it be the courts or political actors who have for so long betrayed the rule of law. Now, I am certain that any judge that is sitting on that matter has a legal duty to consider only the evidence against them. But if the judge is biased or is coming from a place of prejudice or animus against criticism, then that in fact tells you the nature of the justice system. And so for me, it's a real test for them whether or not they can be able to contain just and democratic criticism, or that because of its personal egos and think godism would transplant their duty to be able to observe the law and respect what justice demands of them. So
the judge is expected to pass a ruling on the constitutionality of the offense and the issue of jurisdiction when it reconvenes on May 27 to make way for the trial.